Embracing simplicity, minimalist goal setting. In a world filled with distractions, minimalist goal setting offers a refreshing path to achievement. It's about simplifying your focus, concentrating on what truly matters. Imagine a life where you pursue less but achieve more. This is the promise of minimalist goal setting. It's about intentionality, clarity, and achieving what truly matters to you. Less is more, the power of minimalism. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing. By focusing on fewer goals, you channel your energy more effectively. Imagine a flashlight. A scattered beam is weak, but a focused beam is powerful. The same applies to your goals. Fewer goals mean more focus, leading to greater success and fulfillment. This principle extends beyond goal setting. A clutter-free environment promotes a clear mind. By removing distractions, you create space for what truly matters. Defining your path. Setting minimalist goals. Setting minimalist goals begins with introspection. Ask yourself, what do I truly value? Choose a few essential goals aligned with your values. These goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't overwhelm yourself with numerous objectives. Select a handful of meaningful goals to focus your energy and attention. Remember, quality over quantity leads to greater satisfaction. Achieving your vision. Practical tips and strategies. Break down each goal into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. These small victories build momentum and keep you motivated. Practice daily gratitude. Appreciate the progress you've made, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement fuels your journey and keeps you aligned with your goals. The clarity of space. A clutter-free environment. A clutter-free environment fosters a clear mind, essential for achieving your minimalist goals. Declutter your physical space by removing items you no longer use or need. Organize your digital life by unsubscribing from unnecessary emails and notifications. A clean and organized environment promotes focus and productivity. This clarity extends to your mental space, allowing for better decision-making and goal pursuit. The joy of attainment. Benefits of minimalist goal setting. Minimalist goal setting reduces overwhelm and promotes a sense of calm. By focusing on what truly matters, you experience deeper fulfillment. This approach allows you to savor your achievements and appreciate the journey itself. Embrace the simplicity of minimalist goal setting. It's a path to greater focus, achievement, and overall well-being.